Kom op, kom op, kom op, kom op, kom op. Kom op, kom op, kom op, kom op, kom op, kom op. Kom op, kom op. Kom op, kom op, kom op, kom op, kom op. Kom op, 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 kom op. Good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening, people. Skalk van der Sand, Incoming Meyer, Benedette Moses, Mark Andrews, Naomi de Wet. Kom op, Patriots, kom op. Kom op, 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 kom op. Griselda Julius, Elma Klaassen, Annelie Pleitjies, William Graven Morrison. Kom op, Patriots, kom op, kom op, kom op, kom op, kom op. Jackie Davids. Kom op, Patriots, kom op, kom op, kom op, kom op, kom op. Arsenal is playing tonight. Life is not going to be long. Rasanda San, Guda. Elroy Reuters. Peter Barrett. Janine. Jenna Babes. Pamela van Niekerk. Kom op, Patriots, kom op, kom op, kom op, kom op, kom op, kom op, kom op. Shit. Arsenal is playing, the life is not going to be long. Andries Ackerman, JB Marks is tussen. Michaela Prins, Frederick Patland, Sally Manucharas, Sonia Werner, kom op, Patriots, kom op. Liz Queen Line Lefay. Usipile Ellen Kumalo, Elmarincia Solomon, Billy Simon. Kom op, Patriots, kom op, 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 kom op. Eston Pillay, Renee Corrie, groepe, Mackenzie Lee Brandon, evening, Esmeralda Becker, Saraya Pot, kom op, Patriots, kom op, kom op, kom op, kom op, kom op. We'll start in a minute. Keegan Williams. I'll ask that Mark Press, Liverpool supporter, asking. We're playing against a team that beat Liverpool, so staan maar terug. Kom Sante Shopping. Alberto Sperto Thompson. Lloyd de Vries. Jacqueline Erison Nimmerhout. Reg op sit vir die lyf. Kom op, 30 seconds, we're starting. Got a sweet dimples. Nan, to the aunt. Lisa Eiten. Lydia Dowry. Koekoes van den Juffer. Saldana in the house. Michelle Mapasi. Good evening. A lot of patriots think we're going to start the normal time, 8:30, but we're starting at 8 today. Because we're going to share important information. So people are not confused. People should know what for what. It's a big week for us. William Klein, Mpumalanga in the house. Margie Crowder, Estelle Benjamin. Chief Chaplain Leo dos Santos. Het jy iets op die hart wat jy wil sê? Moenie van jou hart 'n moordkuil maak nie, Chief Chaplain. Praat die ding uit. Ivan Matroos. Ons is in die huis, ons is inhuisig. Hey, die menu supporters, hulle maar net TV kyk is al. Ek ken jy so jealous lang al uit, ek weet nie eens wanneer, ek weet net, as blauw jare gelede. Ai. Patriots, let me give you my schedule. Sybil Lou in Europa, Delft in the house, Emmanuel September, Matsikama, Hazel Bogart, Edward Ninja Adendorf, Hendrik Visser, guys, I will be in Mossel Bay. Saturday, I'm in Wentworth in Durban, Saturday morning. Wentworth, I'll be in Wentworth on Saturday morning. In KZN, I will be in Wentworth. There will be some aerobics and move to health thing I'm going to be at. We're going to be there on Saturday morning. And then I'm going to speak to some kids that don't have fathers. And then I'll be at the football. And Sunday, I'm going to run a 5-kilometer with Discovery. And then I'm flying to Cape Town. Cape Town, I'm going to Mossel Bay. I'm going to be at Mossel Bay Sunday evening. I'm going to visit the people of the Patriots in Mossel Bay on Sunday. Sunday evening, I'll be in Mossel Bay talking to the Patriots. Having some cake and tea with the Patriots. And a tuberoiki in Mossel Bay on Sunday evening. Just to talk to the Patriots and to hear and to listen to people and to see how we can become better. And just listening to Patriots, you always get ideas and we're moving on. We're moving on. We're not a party that started yesterday. You can't be told by people that it's never had a party. We've been building this party for years. We've seen all sorts. We've overcome all sorts. Immense is excited that I'm going to go to Mossel Bay. Not talk about Patriots. Like people in Mossel Bay, like come asseblief sending me messages left, right. And that's why I said, let me start there. On Wednesday, before I go to Nelson Mandela Bay, I will be going to Bergsig. I will be in Bergsig to go and help with the by-election. Sorry, on Tuesday, not Wednesday, Tuesday. I will be at the by-election to go and assist and meet Patriots, to go and assist our councillor there, our aspirant councillor, to go and assist him. So Saturday morning, I'll be in Saturday morning. Friday, I've been asked to speak at the reunion of Dale College in East London. I've been asked to have lunch with them. That's Friday. Then Saturday morning, I'll be in Wentworth in Durban. Then Sunday morning, I'll still be in Durban. Sunday afternoon, I will be in Mossel Bay. Monday, I'll be in Mitchell's Plain. We're opening. You remember those kids that came to me and I just became a minister and they said I should help them? It was sporting. They have nowhere to play sport. We've listened. We've listened as a department. And we will be there opening the sports facilities. Not one school, but 2 schools. We'll also be handing out sporting equipment, the same in Wentworth. We'll also be helping some teams in Wentworth. Then I'm going to go and help in Bergsig. From Bergsig, dan gaan ek Nelson Mandela Bay toe. Then we're going to Nelson Mandela Bay. Woensdag, Wednesday after cabinet. Dan landela ek in Nelson Mandela Bay. En ek move nie. I'm going to go to Nelson Mandela Bay. Thursday, we're meeting all our councillors. We are giving them the line of march for 2026. There's massive changes coming, but I think it's just fine that we must prepare our councillors. We don't want to change people. But if you are not there, you've changed yourself. I'm going to repeat that. We don't want to change people. But if you are not there, you are changing yourself. All political appointments, you have to be there on Thursday. Because you're going to see how the PA is going to change. One of the biggest changes, I'll tell you, we are going to announce a Women's League, the Youth League. We are going to cancel each and every pet number. We are starting all over again. Because I tell you why we're starting all over, Patriots, that you must understand. There's no integrity in our numbers. If you look at our numbers, in some areas, we get less votes than the number of people we have signed up. Some of those people have left the PA. Some of them have died. No. You can't run a party on wrong information. We want to refresh. You must go to each and every patriot again. We are starting all over again so that our people sign people up and they never go to people again. You sign somebody up and then that person, what happens next? No. We need you to go back to those people, to go and explain to them what you've heard in the Nelson Mandela Bay Stadium. You must go and tell them this is what the party is going to do. This is the direction we're going in. This is how we're going to move forward. This is our Veterans League. This is our Women's League. This is our Youth League. So there's massive, if something is in my eye, there's massive changes coming. Massive changes in the Patriotic Alliance. Because you have to have integrity in your numbers. We've got all these big numbers, 600 and close to 700,000. But some of those people died. Some of those people left the PA. And so as a leader of the PA, you have a responsibility to, we're going to start over again. You're getting a new number. We're starting with councillors, which will get letters to attend. They will get a new system of numbers. Then everybody that's coming to Nelson Mandela Bay because you're getting the line of march. And then we're going back. I'm going back to everybody I've signed up. I'm re-signing them with the new PA forms. PAs, we are hoping to make a card that you can say, I'm a card-carrying member of the Patriotic Alliance. That card will have specials for you as a member when we are done. That's the end part. The beginning part is we are fixing our database. Let's not brag with numbers that we are unsure of. We must always be honest as leaders. So PA is going to change. The game is going to change. You're going to see new faces coming in. You're going to see some old faces. We are moving forward. We've seen who's the people causing trouble amongst us. They've proven themselves over and over. Those people, we hope they can just join the DA. And do me a favor, if you don't be the PA, if you left us, why are you guys still worried about what we do at the PA? It's a mal. It's a mal. If you're no longer PA, if you've moved on, now you're like that ex. They left you. They left you. But the whole time, they're stalking your status. They're checking what you post. They're checking where you hang out. But they left you. That's how some of you act. Talk about your new party. Go there. Leave the PA. Ons is all right. No party has ever filled Nelson Mandela Bay. No party. Bradley showed me the pictures. Bradley Murray showed me the pictures when the ANC last tried with President Zuma to fill that stadium. We are going to try. Van ons paisani. We are going to try to fill the stadium. We want to be the first political party to fill Nelson Mandela Bay Stadium. So, Losma for ons, when you leave PA, stop talking about us. Stop checking what we do. You like that lastige ex. Say you were lost. But she's the first person in your status. The first person when you have a life. The first, what is he doing? Who's he hanging out? What is it? No! Los vir ons af. Ons is quite alright. They're doing this, they're doing that. Fix your life before you want to fix the PA. So councillors and political and MECs, there's going to be some changes, good changes, but you need to know. You need to know. What are those changes? So when we speak in the stadium, that is the line of march. How we moving towards 2026? Who's your thing? And there's another thing I picked up, which we're going to talk about. You can't, as a mayoral candidate, put councillors together and say, these are my councillors, but the person that won the award previously, you exclude that person. On what basis would you exclude a person that has already proven to you? Let me make an example with Eldos. Why would I want to remove Dwayne? Why would any mayoral candidate want to remove Joera, Dwayne, or Weza? These people have won wards. We mustn't bring our personal stuff to the Patriotic Alliance. Oh, there's it now. They are busy with us. Anybody that won the award cannot be removed. On what basis? We can't bring your jealousy for people. I've been told, people that won the awards are being told you will not be a councillor again. But that person won the award for us. We're celebrating that person. Los hulle die veel maniere. Los hulle die veel maniere. Ons werk saam as a family. Listen, the PA is going to change. You'll be like, yo, this is I was just looking at the new t-shirts for the Gronto. Everybody coming to the stadium is getting a t-shirt. There will be food. Don't worry. They've ordered 43,000 KFCs. KFC never had an order like that. 43,000 streetwisers. KFC wanted their money. I don't even know how much it was. It was millions just for chicken. There is breakfast packs, lunch packs. Die ding kom ruk. Ons is die PA. The Patriotic Alliance. Ons kom by mekaar. The family is getting together. The PA family is getting together. We as the PA family, we're getting together. Gaan weg, vyand, los ons af. The lineup will be announced this weekend. On Sunday, we're announcing the lineup of all the artists that will be performing. That gaan na fees wees. We're going to play golf. Every NEC member, I'm told some NEC members has not bought tickets for other people. You mustn't just buy for yourself. You must buy for other people that can't afford if you are an NEC member. And you, when you're a political appointee, if you must just know one thing, I'm telling you, in PA we live for other people. We are your brother's keeper and your sister's keeper. Every political person getting a salary because of PA must have a table there. I've not asked for that list. I'll get that list on Sunday. You better have your table there. We must live for each other. We must support each other. We don't want to make money. How much is those tables? $1,000. No. It's not the money-making thing. It is to show power and unity. It's to show us in all aspects. Golf. I can't play golf. Ellie was going to sometime tomorrow morning. I'm actually call Ellie now. I must go and buy a golf bag. I don't even have one. I'm going to buy one tomorrow. I'm going to buy a golf bag tomorrow. I don't know how to play golf, but I want to be with my party members. That's the feeling. Ons gaat spin. We're going to spin. We're going to go to the disco. We're going to have music until late in the stadium. Until 11 we'll be at that stadium. 11 p.m. Then the people that still want to party, you can go to the after party. That's what, this is history. I told the people of the gala thing, that place, you can open up more space. So you can still buy tickets for the gala dinner. You can still buy tickets, and when you buy a ticket for a gala dinner, you wouldn't get, because your name is going on a database. Just don't worry. Once you send the proof of payment, you sort it out. Don't wait. Don't say, where's my ticket? You're not getting a ticket. You're not getting a ticket. You just gonna go, your name is recorded there. So you're getting your t-shirt, you're getting your food packs. We sort it out. And I want every bus. When you go to the shop and you only have 1,000 rands, buy 10 loaves and shirt with milk. But don't eat KFC there and other people don't eat. We are family. That's what I'm trying to inculcate in all of us. That's why we're not other parties that say you must pay for the buses and stuff like that. You can work out by yourself how much all these buses cost. Because we are family. We are family. We are family. We are a family. Never forget that. We are family in PA. So don't get nervous when you don't get a ticket. Once you've sent your proof of payment, you sort it. I've sent my proof of payment. I didn't get a ticket. I'm sorted. But I want you to be my witness. There's some people that have got opportunities in PA, but they're just for themselves. If you're not going to support your own party, go to another party. We can take your job and give it to somebody else. How you never, some saying, I don't have money. You never had money before you had a job. Now you have a job, you still don't have money. No, come on. Oh, pres, ek kan nie uitkom elke maand. Hoe het jy uitgekom met niks? Jy het uitgekom met niks. Toe praat jy van, hoe pres, die kansel is gee vir ons niks nie. Nou wat jy het, nou voel jy hoe's het. Big announcements are going to be made. So just make sure your bus is sorted out. I don't want to hear klagtes. Pres, die bus het my gelos, pres, ek weet nie waar is die busie. Ask your leaders and let there be a bus that's empty from an area. That mayoral candidate will remove himself same time. The mayoral candidate, if there's a bus, because we've got the buses have numbers. If the driver tells us my bus is not full, and let's say it's in Cape Metro, Ratika's head, My bus is not full in Joburg. Kenny Kunene said, we don't their favoritism here. It's a mayoral candidate. I don't want to call Saldana, then Chantel's buses is not full. I blame the mayoral candidate. This is our opportunity to get together, patriots. Today we told them they think the SG went to SG went to Nelson Mandela Bay. She met with the police today and everyone. She flew in there and told them overflow, or she told them extra people are coming. We're making provision for everyone. So if you are a political appointment, if you are a councillor, we'll see if you didn't buy your ticket. Just buy your ticket. NEC, you got to buy for people as a leader. You must not buy for yourself and your Dexel. You must show me you've bought for other people. That is the price of leadership. That's for me. Eric is excited. I can't hear slappy, man. I'm so excited for Nelson Mandela Bay. My bloed kook. Ik wil al klaar daar wees. Ek wil land op my gronde van Nelson Mandela Bay. This for me to be with the Patriots. To see you guys in that stadium. Yo. Yo, die dink op ruk. To see the buses from Northern Cape. Meeting the buses from the Free State. Meeting the buses from Joburg at the garages and just high-fiving each other. Patriots being together. Yo, we've never been so united. Yes. Money is nothing, man. Brotherhood, loyalty is everything. Imagine there's a vyand, veel bloed. And you watch on the live. Half data. Oh, yeah, hoe vol is het? Ja, ek was vol. Ja, die stadium is vol. O, kyk om busse. Van toe gaan die mense. Hooting, the cars are hooting on the way. PA. Yo. Listen. Ja, weet jy, die ding kom ruk. Die mense as ons die stadium staan, ons sê, Paisa, jala. The Etlone, you know, I was standing there at Etlone, and I said, Paisa, jala. And they said, and the Patriots said, Os Paisani. It's your balls. It hits your chest. Os Paisani. You stand there, you hear the krach. Daar is krach. En die, ons Paisani. Ons staan julle. Ons staan saam met vas. Paisa julle. Waar is die hond? Die hond is los. Yo. That stadium, the economy of Nelson Mandela Bay has never seen what they're going to see. Wanneer die Green Army inkom, trek vir jou lekker dik aan. You can buy, the party is giving you a t-shirt, but you can buy your regalia, your jacket, the people that are selling. When the Patriots come in, when the buses come in, people, you don't understand. He don't understand. To see Nelson Mandela Bay is bigger than Etlone. But to see a sea of green, we've all worked so hard to be at this point. We've all worked so hard. We're sending a message. We are no small party. We are no small party. You get goosebumps, man, When you hear patriots singing, when you hear patriots say, Os Paisani, when you see them being happy, we've got serious entertainment, serious entertainment. It's not just political speeches. We've got dances. We've got serious entertainment. We're going to dance. Ons gaan juig. Ons gaan jabula vir die Here. Ons gaan jabula. We're starting first with the woord. Ons gaan jabula vir die Here. In die stadium, die Here, die Here, die Here, die Here. Die Here, die Here, die Here, die Here, die Here. Wie is hy wat op die water loop? Hey, ons kom hulle uitdal. Die timmerman se seun. Ja, kykie, die koortjies wat daar uitkom. Die koortjies. In die whole stadium. Jy juig met jou broer, jy juig met jou suster. Die ding kom ruk. We all together. As if ek is 'n VIP nie. We are all plat op die grond. We eat the same thing. I'm not going to eat something different. I'm going to eat Streetwise 2 KFC. Sure. You don't understand. You know, I didn't come on this life for anything else. The drones in the air. Charles, I was with Charles in London. Charles, I was with him in London. Charles bought himself a drone. He taught himself how to operate the drone. Because Charles says he wants to take the patriots as that. The photos is memories. When our children are free one day, and the history book shows Nelson Mandela Bay, your son and my daughter and your son will say, my parents were there. My parents fought this battle. My parents fought this battle. I am free today because my mom and my dad and my granny and my grandfather, they stood up. Our children are going to eat from the fruits of this green tree that we are building today, patriots. Los maar julle ligsinnigheid. Los maar die arguments. Ons gaat somewhere. You know, you're going to hear the successes that we have achieved already. The main reason why you come into thing is to say thank you to you. That's the main reason. For the leadership to say thank you. For the leadership to say thank you to you. For making your cross next to the PA, because I'm a minister because of your cross today. We are councillors because of your cross today. Because you carry that cross into the voting booth. I'm not perfect. People say, this leader does this. Ek doen het. Dis waar? Sit som ook by. Gooi sommer jou spys ook by. Because for me, I found my true family in the Patriotic Alliance. If you're my cousin, or you what, and you're not PA, wacht, is niks van my nie, man. Kom, mense sê ons is my familie. My familie is in die PA. Ek gaan ook nie vir mense sê, sy is my neef. Ek gaan ook nie vir mense sê, sy is my niggie nie. I'm going to tell people you're my family. You mustn't tell people you're my family. If you're not PA, we are nothing. We are nothing. I live for this party and this people in this party. Julle kan maar kitten. Ons is gereed vir etlong. Ons was gereed vir Etlung, ons is gereed vir Nelson Mandela Bay. Do you understand as El Dorado Park start? If El Dorado Park starts, and Eden Park starts, Eerste starts, Alex starts, Soweto starts, en die busse kry mekaar by die garage. Patriot, salute, 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 salute. Is net salute, salute, salute die hele pad. The petrol attendants. Yo. Like, guys, how's your imagination? Have you already pictured this thing? Have you pictured this thing? Yo, I can't even sleep. Like, yo, I'm going to see our Patriots together next week. We're going to dance. Ek weet nie national chain. Ay, genade. Dans soos 'n toy soldaat. But that's okay. Is nog lief vir hom ook. Agter ons kom ook in die kraal. And that's what it's all about. This is not about this one being better than the other one. Imagine you hit the P and you see the stadium is green. For me, it's just the fellowship, the brotherhood, the breaking of bread, us being together. Who is thy Patriots? And some of you haven't been patient. You've not given your bus list of the people. Now you want to tell the agent, them, yeah, you guys don't want us there. No, wait, relax. Relax. We are family. You guys with cars, take your car, go down. Let's give the poorer people. Excuse me. Dan gaan we weer allemaal gaan. Because we are family. Ons gaan saam bid en vir die Here sê dankie dat hy ons gedra het tot hier toe. I'm a member of the PA for life. And I'm going to meet members for life there. The excitement, the music. Paisayala. Yo. The green. Us being together. Young, old, white, black, colored, Indian. We all together. Ons bid vir reisgenade. Ons bid vir reisgenade. Ons sê meester, wees saam met ons op die pad. Be with every member of the Patriotic Alliance on the road. Ek kry nie vir my uit Nelson Mandela Bay uit. Dis ek woensdag al land. Ek loop eers die volgende week. Jo, ek vorm dit my gesig groen verf of. Ek is klaar mal. So Patriots, you've heard, you got your tickets. Don't worry. Get your gala tickets. Put your name in the golf, guys, even if you can't play. And girls can also play golf. You can join us for the golf. Even if you can't play, I can't play golf, but I want to assist the party so that we can have pictures on the greens. All of that. I love you guys. I do. But I want you to be my witness. Say what Daar is he as a councillor and as a political appointment. You see, they're busy with us. Guys, I'm excited. I don't lie to you. I'm excited. We're getting together. We're all getting together. We see each other's names here on the lives and stuff like that. Hoe bid hulle op die busse? Hoe sing hulle op die busse? Hoe julle kerk op die busse? But tonight, I just wanted to say to the people of Nelson Mandela Bay, thank you for hosting us. I want to say thank you to the team of the Secretary General. You guys have slept at 2 o'clock in the morning